Okay, so for today's video, ayan, oily ng skin. Oily ang skin ko na. Nandito ako sa labas, guys. Nasa maneuvering site kami. Kasi meron kaming tinuturuang estudyante. Andan sila. Kikita nyo ba? So, ang Wazed driving school ng Aguilar, Pangasinan ay may free driving lesson po kami. Ayan. So, if you want to avail, our promo will be extended until January 3rd. Ang katapusan. Ayan. So, kung gusto nyo pong mag-avail, you can contact us or you can message us on our official fan page, which is Wazed Aguilar. Ayan o. Galing ni ate. Galing ni mami. Talaga ba? Ayan, so yan yung mga gusto din mag-try.
Explaining the following. 1. Right seating position. 2. Proper use of seatbelt. 3. Proper handling of steering wheel. 4. Name and uses of pedals. 5. Proper stepping of pedals. 6. Use of mirrors, signal lights and horns. 7. Starting and stopping procedures. 8. Controlling of pedals. 9. Gear shifting. Left and right turning.